This is going to be a self-myofascial release series. We are going to teach you now how to do your TFL, which is going to be this area right here. And again, all you need is the ball and the towel.
So this is a great movement if you have tight hips. You're trying to improve your hip mobility. Perfect for squats, deadlifts, hang cleans, all that jazz. So you're going to grab your ball, you're going to lay on your side. And to find this muscle, you're just going to kind of find that bone that's right in the front of your hip. And then you're going to go right next to it. And then put that ball right there. And then you're going to take your top leg and you're going to position it just like Katie's doing right there. And then first movement is you can just go straight up and down. And this is a great active self-myofascial release technique where you're shortening and lengthening that tissue while you have it pinned on your TFL. And releasing the TFL is a great movement, especially if you have lateral knee pain or if you have a tight IT band. A lot of people like to roll out their IT band, which is not the best idea. Kind of think about what attaches to the IT band, like your glutes, your quads, and your TFL, and release those muscles, and then you'll find that your IT band gets looser. You might have less lateral knee pain.
So that was interesting for me to hear because growing up, I was always taught to roll out your IT band, which is this right here. And I've always had really extreme lateral knee pain as well as tearing of both my lateral menisci. So I'm wondering, had I not done that and had I focused on instead releasing the muscles that attach to the IT band, probably would have been more beneficial to me. So that was a little myth buster that I wanted to put in this video.
So your other option to release the TFL other than going up and down is to bring your knee towards your chest. Because your TFL does assist with hip extension and flexion, so you want to mimic those movements so you're getting that proper pin and stretch kind of technique. And then again, you can kind of just move up and down. You can kind of turn your hips up or down, kind of get different areas of that TFL, and then go through those movements.
Be able to feel it too, like. This is painful. It's a good pain. Ow. Okay. You can find all of the videos in this series in my playlist, and all the information is going to be below about Chris and everything he does and the series itself. So I hope you enjoy, and we will see you in the videos.